So out of this mini controversy involving star junior athlete Christopher Taylor and the 200, 400 controversy at the World Under-20 Championships, regardless of what and who caused the mix-up, the learning moment for me is if the J3As, in their wisdom and in the interest of the nation, did they have the discretionary powers to put Chris Taylor in that 200-meter event, despite him not running the 200 at the trials? Are there any discretionary powers allowed by the local governing body to act in the country's interest? Or is it strictly the first two past the post qualify as long as they meet the qualifying standard, or a presented medical exemption request for athletes ranked in the world's top 3 in that event? Otherwise, it no matter who you are and your circumstances and how much better you are than the people who qualify, you cannot get a blind. What, for example, if Brianna Williams, running almost 11 seconds flat for the 100 and 22 seconds flat for the 2, if she entered the 100 at the trials and she slip and drop at the blocks, we're going to send the first and second past the post, even if them running 12 seconds flat and leave Brianna at home. If that is the rule and it's cast in stone, then that stone one crush up and that rule one dash way. If we're talking about national representation, then some discretion must be applied to protect the national interest. Otherwise, that is a joke fest. That's it.